Do you want to command respect the moment you open your mouth instantly? Most people speak to be heard, but the truly powerful, they speak to be remembered. In this video, you'll learn 5 dark psychology-based communication tricks that elite speakers use to dominate a room without even raising their voice. These aren't basic tips. They're powerful tools used by leaders, influencers, and manipulators alike. Section 1. The power of pausing. Silence creates power. A well-timed pause can say more than a sentence. It builds anticipation. It forces the listener to hang on every word. Before making a key point, pause. After making a key point, pause again. It signals authority that you're not in a rush and your words carry weight. Every great speaker, from politicians to movie villains, uses the pause like a weapon. Practice this, and people will feel tension when you speak in the best way. Section 2. Lower your voice. You don't need to speak louder to gain dominance. Powerful people speak slower and deeper. Why? Because we instinctively associate a calm, low voice with confidence and leadership. Think of someone who never raises their voice, yet still commands every room they enter. That could be you, but only if you stop chasing attention with volume and start gaining respect with control. Lower your voice slightly. Slow your pace. Let silence and tone speak for you. Section 3. Mirror their energy. Want people to like you without even knowing why? Mirror them. Subtly match their tone, body language, or even their word choice. This activates a psychological principle called liking bias. We tend to trust people who feel familiar, but don't be obvious. Too much, and it looks fake. Too little, and the effect is lost. Master subtle mirroring, and people will feel naturally drawn to your presence. Section 4. Say less, mean more. The more you talk, the less power your words hold. Confident people don't over-explain. They speak with precision. They say less, but what they say hits hard. Here's the rule. Speak like you know they're already listening. When you're concise and deliberate, others lean in. They sense that you're not just filling silence, you're making every word count. Let your silence, posture, and tone do the talking when words aren't needed. Section 5. Use precision and eye contact. People don't just hear your words, they read your eyes. If you want to gain instant authority, look people in the eye, not with aggression, but with certainty. Match that with precise language. Avoid filler words like maybe, or you know. Be clear, be direct. Don't explain, state. Precision plus eye contact equals presence. When you combine the two, you no longer need to ask for attention, you own it. These communication tactics aren't about faking confidence. They're about unlocking the calm power that already exists inside you. Speak less. Speak slower. Speak with intention. Start using these tricks today, and soon. You won't need to raise your voice to be heard. People will listen because they feel your presence. Subscribe now for more dark psychology, silent influence, and personal power strategies. You're not just learning to communicate, you're learning to lead.